1986 Chevy Monte Carlo SST top. This one is listed as a project. She does have opportunity in the paint and body and in the floor pans. Be a nice project for your father and son. She has 17-inch American racing wheels. The frame is solid, but the floor pans has opportunity. I look at her as a nice father and son project. Something you can work on the weekends. And it has a nice story behind it because it is a SS model. See a little bubbling going on right there. As y'all can see, the lower doors and the jambs are solid. Driver side frame and floor pan. Passenger side. Interior is in overall good shape. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, no center console. Upper dash has opportunity. Package tray has discoloration. Headliner can be replaced. But overall, it's a nice project. Deck lid is in good shape. She has a 305 backed by the 4-speed automatic. Like someone took the compressor off, but all the components are here except for the compressor and the lines. Let's start her up. Fire right up. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out.